Walmart Christmas clearance went 90% off today, but we will not be stepping foot down that clearance aisle. I'm going to walk around the store and show you what items are 90% off and not marked. First up is these easy foil pans, this red print right here, and these blue. You have to get the specific barcodes that I am getting, but these are 90% off. They are marked for $3.72, but baby, they are 37 cents. These 3-packs are also 37 cents, and these to-go trays are 37 cents too. So now that we have that loaded, let's move on to the candles. And I know somebody's gonna ask, did you leave some? I did. I have a lot of candles that are 90% off. All of these were found in the regular aisle. Some of them were marked on clearance for like $6. Regular price is around $10, but they were actually from 60 cents to $1.28. This soft cashmere and amber smells so good. I also found pajama sets in the regular section for 90% off, normally $19.98. These were just $2, including the socks. Also in the regular section, unmarked, we have 90% off cups. These were just a nickel, you guys. We have Dunkin' Donuts coffee that has just started getting marked down. So the K-cups were $6 and the bags of coffee were $3. So here's my receipt for everything I grabbed in my biggest transaction. $440 worth of product for $44, and I never went down to clearance aisle.